Hey everybody, my name is Karina. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to customize and download wedding invitations through our free templates on Plan in Love. What you're going to want to do is go onto the planinlove.com website here, and then go to the stationery and signs here on this navigation bar, and then we can go down and find invitations. We're going to go ahead and click that, and then we can see here we have free Canva wedding invitations and stationery. So this is a great way to set the tone for your wedding and invite guests in style, and just a really good way to have like a thumbprint or a thumbnail of what you want it to look like and then customize from there. So what we're going to want to do is go and kind of scroll through, peruse what's available, and pick one that we like here. So this terracotta boho autumn wedding invitation, this is actually a set. So it comes with the RSVP card and detail card here. So we can see here, accommodations, we have the RSVP card, and then the actual invitation here. Or we have some free ones up here, which are this one. So let's say we like the French mustard, yellow and lavender, chic wedding invitation suite. So whatever you want, some are paid, some are free. Feel free to pick either, but for this example, I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. Same situation here. I'm going to go ahead and add to cart. So what you're going to want to do when you have found everything you would like to download, we're going to check out here, and then we're going to go to the checkout page. So if you're a returning customer, please feel free to log back in here. But for the billing details, again, because it's free, you can have a combination of free and paid for. It doesn't matter, whatever you'd like. We're going to go ahead and put our email address in, our country or region, and their name. The email address is just so we were able to email you those details, so those download links and such like that. So we're going to go ahead and place the order. And again, we have the download links here, what we've ordered here, and then order details. Again, if you want to go ahead and go into your email, we'll also email you all of this information, so you will have that forever. And then make sure you're checking your spam email as well, just in case, you never know. So I'm going to go ahead and download all of these. So click here, click that one, click all of these, and that's how we're going to download all of them. These are going to be different files for each. So just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and then this is the template access. So when you click on these little downloads here, and when you go into your downloaded folder here, this PDF file is what's going to show up here. So the mustard yellow and lavender save the date, that is 7x5. You're going to click here to download, and just quickly going to go through the PDF here. So log in or create a free account with Canva, access your template via the link provided above. Click the use template button to save a new copy of the template to your Canva account and begin editing. So in the link provided does not work, please try and use a different browser. So again, down here, we have just given you some instructions on how to use Canva if you've never used these before. So just here, we have it all numbered and labeled and just what it does, the editing texts, how you do that, changing colors, layering, so like changing the layer positions, how to download files, how to share files, adding links, stuff like that. I'm going to go through it with you guys quickly in the actual Canva file here. But when you get this PDF, feel free to go and look at this more detail here. So I'm going to go ahead and click to download, and then this will bring us to the Canva link. So we have to save the date here. And instead of edit the template, I'm going to go ahead and say use template for new design here. And then we have our save the date that is fully editable and to here. So just first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and start and rename this file to something that I'm going to remember. The copy of save the date generic wording doesn't really resonate with you when you're trying to find that again in your computer. So I'm going to say Karina save the dates here, and then maybe I can put the date of the wedding or whatever you're going to remember that by. So again, we can go in here and we can click and edit anything we need from this template here. So again, if you need to, let's say, resize the actual sheet, maybe you want your save the dates to be a bit bigger or maybe a bit smaller or a different orientation altogether. Maybe you want them fully vertical, what have you. You can go ahead and click the resize here, and then find resize options so we can see all. We have a bunch of different options here, so you can copy this and resize it or just resize this all together here. We can go ahead and maybe I want this to be a capital, save the date. Maybe I don't like how big it is. I can go up to this bar up here and change the size there. I can go ahead and change the date to whatever I need it to be, of course. So maybe 2026. So Sarah and Thomas are getting married in Toronto, Ontario. You'd obviously put your own names in and maybe where you're getting married in a different city. You put that there, so formal invitation to follow. You can change the wording of that, of course, whatever you need, and then you go up here. These are like the graphics elements of it. Maybe let's say I want this to be maybe a little bigger, maybe a little hidden up here. Maybe I like this, I want this to be more centered there, like that. I can also go ahead and copy and paste or option click or alt click if you're on Windows, and that's gonna fully copy that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip that over. Maybe I want something at the bottom, it's a little, like that. So you can do anything you'd like to these invitation or these save the dates, and you can do the same with the other ones that we've downloaded. So again, we have a bunch of them. We have the actual invitation, the details card as well. Same situation, same format. You're going to go ahead and click it. It'll bring you into Canva, and then you're going to go ahead and do any changes you need with those as well. So let's say, okay, perfect. I love my design. I love the layout. Everything's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and go to share up here. Now, two things. First, if you are working with like a wedding planner, you're wanting to show your wedding party or your partner the wedding save the dates or invitations that you've made, you can go ahead and send links to show people. So let's say anyone with the link. So you can copy that link and then you can send it to anybody. So you can send it over text, you can send it over email, it doesn't matter. It'll just send them to this page and you can show people what you've created so far. So you can also give them that access to edit it. So if maybe you're sending it to your partner and they want to do some minor adjusting or some minor tweaking, you can let them edit it. Or if you're like, just look, I want your feedback, you can view here, and then that would just let them view it and they wouldn't be able to make any changes to your actual document there. So you can copy that link. Again, when you're all done, final revisions have been made, everything's looking good, you can go ahead and click download here. So for printing, I suggest a PNG or preferably a PDF for print, and then you can go ahead and download that. Click download there. And then again, print from home, print from Staples, print from wherever place you would like to print. And then you have your save the dates, your invitations, anything like that. Thank you so much for watching.